Here are my 5 people. Okay, so the question asks us, if the potatoes fed 5 people, what fraction of the bag did each person get? My answer is going to be a fraction, because it's telling me that. So what's my dividend? The 5 or the 1/9? What are we trying to divide up? We're trying to divide the 1/9 up, the bag of potatoes. All right, so then that'll be 1/9 times 1/5. Say it. 1/5, which equals 1/45. So does that sound right? Yes, it is right. It would be 1/45. So that each person would get 1/45 of this 1/9 pound bag of potatoes. This one we happen to be dividing up. The other one we divided up was on the other number was on the other side, opposite side. All right, let's move on. Number 4. Someone read number 4.
Bulldozers will carry 1/4 of a ton of sand. If a party needed 7 tons of sand, how many loads would the bulldozer need to carry?
Okay, bulldozer can carry. Here's my bulldozer. Whatever it is, my bulldozer can carry 1/4 ton of a ton. 1/4 of a ton of sand. If a part, here's my part. If a part needs 7 tons, we need 7 tons here. If a part needed 7 tons of sand, how many loads from here, how many loads would the bulldozer need to carry? Okay? So what are we trying to break up here?
7 tons.
Okay? So if it's 7 tons, you're saying so it's 7 divided by 1/4? Okay? And that's going to be what? Can you just look at that and tell what it is? You got to do the reciprocal of 1/4.
Oh, you got to flip around. 28.
It would be 28. 7 times 4 is 28. So then it would be 28 trips that they need to make to move one. How much would they want to move? 1/4? No, 7 tons. Need 7 tons of sand. So then 7 tons of sand, they're going to need 28 trips to get all that sand to the park. All right, is it kind of making sense, what you have to do?
Yes.
You really got to kind of think about what you're doing. All right, number 5. Taylor, read number 5.
Dave had to write 5 pages for a book report. How many hours would it take him to write if he wrote 1/6 of a paragraph each hour?
1/6 of a page. Okay, so he had to write 5 pages. He had to write 5 pages for a book report. 5 pages. Okay? How many hours would it take him to write if he had wrote 1/6 of a page? An hour. Okay? So we're trying to find out how many hours would it take him to write if he wrote 1/6 of a page each hour. So are we multiplying? What's on my dividend?
5.
We want to divide up to 5 pages. So then 5 times 6/1 equals 30. So then he would write 30
He would take him 30 hours.
Yeah, 30 hours. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, 30 hours. Take him 30 hours to write 5 pages. That's 1/6 of an hour. If you wrote 1/6 of an hour.
That's 2 days. That's a day and 6
That's
hours.
a little exaggerated.
A day and 6 hours.
Shouldn't take you that long. But anyway, that's what depends on what you're doing. But anyway, that's how you find that answer. All right, number 6. I'm going to read number 6, and you're going to solve it. Number 6 says a small book took 1/2 of a ream of paper to make. A small book. A small book. All right. Then it goes on to say, how many books could be made with 8 whole reams of paper? Take a few minutes to try to solve that. A small book took 1/2 of a ream of paper to make. How many books could be made with 8 whole reams of paper?
Want to do the next one?
No, just hold up a minute.
You waiting on the answer, Mr. Nugent?
This is what you have for homework tonight, by the way. I have another sheet, though, not the same one. Okay. Let's see who I want to answer this one. Blue James. Blue James. On number, which one are we on? Number 5, number 6. A small book took 1/2 a ream of paper to make. How many books could be made with 8 whole reams? I'm listening.
You need to put the 8 whole reams of paper first, then divide by one half.
Okay, so your answer is what?
16.
16? Somebody got something different?
Mm-mm.
No.
Mm-mm.
What you got, Stephanie? 16? What you got? Say again. 16? All right. It would be 16. It would be 16. So it would take, how many books could be made with 8 whole reams of paper? 16 books could be made. All right. Number 7. A pet store has 4 cats to feed. If they only had 1/9 of a bag of cat food and each cat got the same amount, love it. What fraction of the bag would each cat get? This tells me that my answer is going to be what?
Even.
A fraction. The answer is going to be a fraction.
Why you say even?
So
No.
a pet store has 4 cats to feed. If they only had 1/9 of a bag of cat food and each cat got the same amount, what fraction of the bag would each cat get? Take a couple minutes and solve that one. Well, I don't know. You tell me. Questions?
I'm kind of confused on how to know when you're dividing.
Which one you want? Can you divide up?
The first one.
Which one can you divide up? That's what you're looking for. I'll show you on this one in a minute. Okay, we have 1/9 bag of cat food, and we got 4 cats. All right, what we want to find out is if they only had 1/9 bag of cat food and each cat got the same amount, what fraction of the bag would each cat get? It's telling me what fraction, so that means my answer is probably going to be a fraction, not a whole number. Okay, so then what are we dividing up here? We're
One.
dividing up this bag of cat food between these 4 cats. So then the 1/9 will be my dividend. Okay? Divided by the 4 cats. Alright, so then we got 1/9 times
The reciprocal.
1/4. And my fraction would be 1. So then they would get 1/36 of that bag of that 1/9 bag of cat food. Does it make sense to you? Yeah, you always want to try to find which one you're going to divide up. That's your dividend. Because when you divide regular standard division. The dividend is what you're trying to divide up.